What's up guys, Coffee Wizard 3000 here, and today we're doing another train review. As you in the last video, we did the Hornby version trains Pendolino box set review, and today my kind friend Daniel has brought his E and GR train over, which is this little steam train. She's very, very beautiful, but I'm not sure if it's going to focus. But it's a very good train. It comes with 2 carriages. Sadly, I didn't have the box with me today, guys, but we're gonna run her. This particular model is an 00 gauge, I do believe. It is an 00 gauge. Please comment down below if it's not. But yeah, I've got my layout out again. I packed it away, but soon, hopefully, I will get a board for the layout with mountains, and I'm going to properly wire it down and get all the hardware and everything sorted out for it. But we're going to see how this little beat runs. So let's get her running, and we're going to pick a few shots of her. Alright, Daniel, start running. It's a very nice. Oh, and straight away, guys, let's give her a little nudge. Oh, it's come off. Stop the train. Sorry, guys.
I'll put it on.
Put it on.
It's a very
fragile train.
It comes off. You have to kind of go a bit slower.
Yeah. But let's forget about that. It's still a very nice train.
I really speed up as we go.
Let's go. All right. Hopefully, guys, we're gonna. There she goes. Oh, and really, we should put something in that carriage, like some wood or something. There she goes.
And even when you put on full crank, she still doesn't go that fast.
But she's a very strong little train.
Later on in the video, we'll be doing a challenge. We'll be getting my little blue train and seeing if it can push 3 of the Virgin Media carriages.
Alright, let's get a few shots of her. Can you move out the way, Daniel? Let's get this way. Daniel, put her on full crank. Right. There she comes. That's very nice. And get one more shot of her going past. Very good. Alright, let's do the challenge then. So, stop the train.
Just get into the straight point.
Alright.
Oh, also the braking on this train
is very good.
Very, very good. Right, now to put the Virgin trains on. Whilst I put the Virgin trains on, Harry is going to just show you the train a little bit more and in detail. Whilst I get these.
Alright, guys, so this train, it is the unrealistic Virgin, the unrealistic Hornby coupling, but that doesn't matter, guys. That really doesn't matter because she's up here. Amazing. It's got the very nice. Sorry guys, it's not focusing, but it's got loads of details over here. What would be very nice indeed was if they could put carriages and people inside these trains. Do the doors open? No, the doors don't open, but it's still very nice. We got the freight carriage over here. Put some stuff in it. Daniel, later on, do you want to go out in the garden and get some rocks and put the rocks into this?
Yeah. I'm having a bit of difficulties with the tracks here, guys. Hopefully the train's gone.
Okay, let's do it with one. Oh, sorry.
Go. done. Well done, look.
Still runs like a dream. Is that the heavy one? Is that heavy, Daniel? That might be the yeah.
No, this is the
Should we try? So, will it be able to push 3 Virgin Pendolino carriages?
I'm going to do it. Okay, drive and get some good clips of it. So first,
My battery's running a bit low, guys. There she goes, panting away. And yes, she's doing it.
in about 2 months or a couple of months, this train will be back, hopefully, with a steam
Steam, wow.
out the chimney.
Or it's not. Right, get her running, so get her going quick. Or watch out, she's derailed. Let me check the track, guys, to see if it's stuck down, see if there's some bits that on.
So yeah, that was the challenge complete. She did push all of the Virgin Media things. Now we're just going to do a couple of more train things.
Well, 6 minutes. We're going for 6 minutes.
So yeah, we'll do a little bit.
Few shots.
Yeah.
Let's see if she can push the rest as well. Should we see if she can push all of the carriages?
Just let's see if she can
Push.
Let's see how good her reverse and braking is. Right, so her reverse is quite good.
Very good and nice.
Can't go too fast. That's good, that's good.
Is that full throttle or reverse?
Not full fault because then it will derail and we don't want that. And now the brake.
Well, look at her little things shunting along.
And we go. And when we get back to the piece of blue tack, we'll
Do you know what will be sick? If we can get a shot
when we
inside the cabin.
When we get back to here, I'm going to brake on the second time going and see how fast it brakes. Quality.
Wow, that's good.
There we go.
Oi, let's see if we can get a shot inside the cabin. Like, we're inside. From inside the cabin. Oh, wait. Go as slow as you can. We might be able to get this shot. So, we're walking up to the train. We're hoisting ourselves up onto the train. And we are in the cabin. Let's get shot. Nah, I'm not sure if we'll be able to do that. Anyway, well, this has been it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little beaut running around the track, and
Make sure
to
leave a like, subscribe, notifications on, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.